How wireless switches revolutionize wiring costs in modern systems. In the ever-evolving landscape of technology and connectivity, wireless switches have emerged as a game-changer, offering not only convenience but also substantial cost-saving benefits. These switches, by eliminating the need for physical wiring between switches and devices, present a transformative solution across various industries and setups. One of the most significant advantages of wireless switches lies in their ability to slash wiring costs. By removing the necessity for extensive cabling between switches and devices, these systems minimize the expenditure on materials, labor, and installation time. Traditional wired setups demand meticulous planning, laying of cables, and sometimes even structural alterations. Wireless switches mitigate these expenses by allowing for easy deployment and eliminating the logistical challenges associated with wired systems. Wireless switches empower users with unparalleled flexibility in placement and configuration. Unlike their wired counterparts, which are often restricted by the physical limitations of cabling, wireless switches can be installed practically anywhere within their signal range. This flexibility not only streamlines the installation process but also enables easy reconfiguration as per evolving needs without the constraints of traditional wired setups. The scalability offered by wireless switches is a significant boon for systems that require expansion or modification. Adding new devices or expanding the network becomes a simpler task without the need for extensive rewiring. This feature not only saves costs but also reduces downtime during system upgrades or expansions, thereby enhancing operational efficiency. While the advantages of wireless switches in reducing wiring costs are evident, the extent of cost savings can be influenced by several factors. The size of the installation, the specific wireless technology employed, and any additional infrastructure requirements are crucial determinants. Larger installations may require more sophisticated wireless solutions, potentially impacting the initial setup costs. Additionally, the need for compatible infrastructure to support wireless communication could affect the overall investment. In conclusion, the adoption of wireless switches represents a significant stride toward cost-efficient and flexible systems. While the initial investment may vary based on factors such as technology and scale, the long-term benefits in terms of reduced wiring costs, ease of installation, and scalability make wireless switches a compelling choice for modern applications across industries.